Yes, you can retrofit old toilets with quiet close seats and efficient flush mechanisms to get quieter, more water-efficient performance without replacing the whole fixture. Start by measuring the bolt spread and bowl shape so you buy a quiet close seat that fits standard elongated or round bowls. Turn off the water supply and flush to empty the tank before removing the old seat or flapper to avoid messes. For seats, choose corrosion-resistant stainless steel or brass bolts, and check that the hinge system includes bumpers and a slow close damper. Install by aligning the hinge, tightening bolts evenly, and confirming the soft close engages from a slight lift. For the flush hardware, remove the old flapper and examine the flush valve opening size and overflow tube height, then pick an aftermarket efficient valve that matches that dimension and seals reliably. Many modern valves use a canister or adjustable flapper to meter water per flush and reduce turbulence to improve bowl evacuation. When installing an efficient valve, test for proper fill level and adjust the float or fill valve height so the refill stops at the factory recommended waterline mark, then cycle the flush several times and listen for leaks. Finally, replace the wax ring with a wax-free mechanical or reinforced ring if the base is being reseated, tightening bolts in a crisscross pattern until the bowl is stable, and then reconnecting the water and checking for leaks at the base and the tank to bowl gasket. Homeowners often buy the wrong seat shape or bolt pattern, which causes poor fit. Measure before buying and bring a photo to the store or reference the toilet model to match. Another common issue is poor sealing after replacing the flapper or valve, which causes slow leaks. Prevent that by cleaning mating surfaces, replacing old gaskets, and doing a dye test in the tank to detect leaks. People also over-tighten bolts and crack porcelain. Hand start bolts. Use even incremental turns with a torque spreader or by alternating sides. And stop when snug to avoid stress fractures. We help homeowners find local contractors and product advice related to retrofits on bighomeprojects.com, and we host a discussion community where users share experiences and tips. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners planning upgrades so our site supports both sides of the project.